So this time we're going to look at a song called Inner Urge. In the first video where we learned about chord scale relationships, if you understand chord scale relationships, understanding how to play over this song should actually be very simple. Holding out the F sharp minor 7 flat 5 and a minor 7 flat 5 or a half diminished implies Locrian. That's the mode that would fit there. Then you get F major 7 flat 5, or in other words, sharp 11. So that's major with a sharp 4, that's Lydian. And this continues on. We get E flat Lydian for 4 bars after that. We get D flat Lydian for 4 bars after that. F sharp Locrian, F Lydian, E flat, D flat. But we don't want to just run up and down a scale. We've talked a lot about chord scales and fourths and things to make our playing a little bit more free and more interesting. And then comes the last 2 lines, which are quite difficult. All these measures might be Lydian, but they're coming rapidly at you. And part of the challenge here on the guitar is going to be to not jump so much. But at first, I'm going to allow myself to jump. Now I'm going to play, for instance, I'm going to try to go from E flat Lydian in 6th position to D flat Lydian also in 6th position, and try to keep the positions a little bit closer together.